How's it going, everybody? I am currently working on the door right now. I gotta change this out. It's a little bit dark, so I got my little headlight going on. First thing we need to do is obviously take everything out of the door. Make sure it's all squared away. Man, I got a bunch of shit up in the door. Sorry about that. Getting all this out. Alright, now that your door is free, you have two spots that you need to focus on mainly. That is this spot right here, right on the door. And you're literally just going to take a flathead, any type of flathead. Oh shit, I got the wrong side. Excuse my language. Flathead, just a regular flathead. You're gonna take it, shimmy it under this. 1, 2, and then once you get it under, you just pull up, pops it right off. You got, well, you had more than one clip, so you have, this one's already broken off because I've changed it out more than once, so is that one. But I have this clip right here and this clip right here. And then you got these two side ones. But normally you have a clip right here and a clip right here that will hook right into the door, lock it right in place. You don't have a problem with it. So, if you can see, there is, let's see, there's a screw right here and a screw right here. We're going to take those out, and then you have one screw under here. So I'm going to do that real quick. Let's see, position it back up. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright, you got your screwdriver. You want to keep the flat side on right now, so you can just pop this little guy. There you go. Start with this. Unscrew that. It's just a little tiny screw. Perfectly fine. You want to go for this. Got one screw. Or two, I guess. And then you got two, number 2. So you got three screws all together, and I'll loosen this up. Alright, so after you get that, you just grab it, either one right here, and if your handle's already broken, just grab it right here. Just, let's see if I forgot another spot. Just like that. And just lift it up. Obviously, you have two spots. You have two spots. You have this little spot down here. Has a little light on for you. So you're just gonna shimmy this out. There you go. You have one loose, and you have this one loose, or get this loose. You got that, and the door will come right off. You don't have to stress on it. You don't got to worry about it. It's all set. It's good to put to the side. So this is what we're gonna be working on today. Obviously, you can see the little guy's a little messed up. So, see if I can position this right here. Yeah, it might fall. So, sorry guys ahead of time. So normally you have 2 screws. You have 1 screw right here, but that holds in the base, which is this top half right here. So that's where this screw goes. This little guy right here. I'll zoom in once we actually get it in. So we're actually setting this up. I got this one from Pick Apart. You can look up the site. It's LKQ. There's multiple junkyards all over the place. Best place to find old parts for your car, or new parts for your car, but old parts for another car. Got that screw right there. Set that down.